Have you ever sat down excited to watch a movie in English, but you have no idea what's going on? So you turn on the subtitles and suddenly everything makes sense. But here's the weird part, you can understand YouTube videos, podcasts, and even casual conversations just fine. So why do movies feels impossible without subtitles? Well, there are two major reasons. One is about you, and the other is not your fault at all. And don't worry, I'll also tell you exactly how to fix this. Reason 1, it's about you. Now, don't take this the wrong way. There's nothing wrong with you, but your ability to understand a movie without subtitles depends on a few things. If the English in the movie is way above your level, of course, it's going to be hard. Movies often have complex dialogues, slang, or historical references that don't appear in everyday English. If you're still learning, it makes sense that a movie full of fast-paced, native-level conversations feels overwhelming. Listening is a skill on its own. You might be great at reading, writing, or even speaking, but listening is a completely different challenge. And just like any skills, if you don't practice it enough, it won't improve. Some characters speak insanely fast. Sometimes it feels like actors are in a competition to see who can fit the most words into a single breath. You hear them say something, and before your brain can even process the first sentence, they're already 5 sentences ahead. It's about the speed at which you can process spoken language. Native speakers naturally shorten words, merge sounds, and use informal expressions, making fast speech even harder to catch. The key to keeping up is training your ears and also your brain through constant exposure. Now, let's be honest, some accents just hit differently. American, British, Australian, Scottish, even within one country, there are different regional accents. If you're used to hearing standard American English, but suddenly a character starts speaking in a deep Irish accent, your brain might just shut down. But as I said earlier, not everything is your fault. Even native speakers of the same language can struggle to understand certain accents, especially if they come from different regions. This happens because accents vary in pronunciation, rhythm, and even word choices, making some conversation difficult to follow. For example, an American English speaker might find a certain Scottish or Irish accent challenging. This proves that understanding accent is not just about knowing a language, but also about exposure and listening skills. Reason 2, it's actually about the movies themselves. Believe it or not, some movies just have terrible sound design. Old movies, for example, they didn't have the best recording technology. The microphones weren't as good, and the audio mixing wasn't as clear as what we have today. Many modern movies are designed for cinemas, not for your tiny phone speakers or your budget headphones. In a movie theater, the sound system is so advanced that you hear every tiny detail. But when you watch the same movie on your phone, the dialogue sounds way too low, the background noise is too loud, and suddenly all you hear is music, explosions, and mumbling actors. And also, some directors want movies to feel realistic, so instead of having actors speak clearly, they let them mumble. So, now that we know the problem, how do we fix it? How to watch movies without subtitles? There is actually a trick backed by research. Normally, we have 3 levels of listening difficulty: easy, normal, and difficult. Studies show that when you gradually increase difficulty, your brain adapts and you start to understanding even the hardest parts better. So, here's what you do. Start watching the movie at 0.5 or 0.8 speed. Yes, it sounds weird, but that's okay. Your brain will have more time to process each word. After about 15 minutes, increase it to normal speed. By the end of the movie, try 1.2 or even 1.5 speed. You'll be shocked. Suddenly, normal speed will feel slow and easy. This method works because your brain learned best when you push it just a little bit beyond your comfort zone. And if you struggle with understanding different accents, don't jump around too much at first. Pick one accent: American, British, Australian, whatever you prefer, and stick with it. But here's the catch: don't listen to just one person. For example, if you're focusing on American English, don't listen to the same YouTuber every day. Expose yourself to many different voices with that accent. This will help your brain recognize different ways people pronounce the same words. One of the biggest mistakes language learners make is trying to understand every single word. But here's the thing: even native speakers don't catch every word in a movie. They rely on context, expressions, and body language. If you hear a sentence and you don't understand one word, let it go. Pay attention to the emotions, the background music, and the actions. Your brain is smarter than you think. It will fill the gaps naturally. Now, here's the fun part. Once you start applying these techniques, there will come a moment where you're watching a movie and suddenly you understand everything. You'll sit there realizing, wait, I haven't looked at the subtitles in 20 minutes? And that's when you know you've won. If you're looking for the perfect series to watch based on your CFR level, I've got you covered. I made a video where I recommend TV shows that match different English levels, so you can improve your listening skills while actually enjoying what you watch. Don't forget to check it out. So, are you ready to give it a try? Let's start. Pick a movie, slow it down, and let your brain do the work. Thank you so much for watching and spending time with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.